About 4 years ago, after my wife and I had moved to Logan County, first time we ever lived in the country, we had decided we would like to look at an active solar system on our home. Solar Power of Oklahoma was the one company that actually responded to me almost immediately. It was Kadon's response that probably made me think that these might be the right people to work with. As an architect, I knew just enough about solar active systems to basically give myself problems. So I really relied greatly on somebody that did have the knowledge and expertise, somebody that felt like I could trust and could guide me in the understanding of the systems. Kadon Ridgway was a blessing to me and to my wife. We were so happy that he came and he explained everything very, very thoroughly. And so from that standpoint, I just have had a great deal of comfort with Kadon and his knowledge and expertise. The first system that we installed was actually on the cottage. We are so happy with the solar collectors, the inverter, the battery system and setup are all look great in the cottage. And so as an architect, I do feel that that's very important, and I'm happy, and I take great pride in showing that to my friends and relatives when they come out to see. The installation folks and everybody that's been out has been wonderful. They've actually provided expert service. They've also been very conscientious of the grounds and the property, and they installed pretty much the whole system in less than a day. I have already recommended SPO to various friends and family members that have also been considering an active solar system.